presentation before you. It's a presentation based on the topic the human body. It deals with a particular organ of our body. Now you can see there's a line written more complicated than you think. It's actually true. Suppose if we take the example of lungs, we all know that we respire. Respiration occurs, the result is that the breakdown of glucose and all. But when this respiration process occurs, there are many processes which are taking place while this process is occurring. I mean that suppose if we are taking in oxygen other than glycolysis, then Krebs cycle, in Krebs cycle, mitochondria and all, these some processes are occurring in mitochondria. So these all things we will study in higher classes, but I can conclude by saying that if we take only one topic in our human body, we will see that we have to go deep inside it, and even if we will go deep inside it, even after that also we will find that there are many topics left which are related to that same one topic. So as I just want to say that in this whole universe we all are almost like negligible. So for me it's like our body is like a chota packet bada dhamaka. It's in which it's like in this whole universe we are just look small people, but these small people can do many things, and today they are ruling this world. So I come back to a topic, that is human body. I have taken the natural filter of our body, and that is kidney. So this is the basic diagram of kidney. I'll explain it to you later that how this works. First, what is kidney? Kidney is a bean-shaped organ. They are in pairs. They are present in pairs in a particular human body. Then they are present in vertebrates. The main function or the common function of kidney is that it helps in filtering of blood, and the waste products which are formed, they are excreted out of the body through urine. Now in my presentation, it's all about that how the kidney is being divided into three parts, that is physics, chemistry and bio. These three things are being occurring in this kidney. First we will go to the physics part. As you can see, it is written, it helps in maintaining electrolyte concentration. That is, it helps in normal sense, we can say that it helps in fluid balancing. Electrolytes, they are electrolytes, either it takes out the electrolytes out of the blood through urine, or it goes sends the electrolytes through the filtered blood. Now this electrolyte is important because in our body, in a particular compartment, how much fluid should be present, this is all decided by this presence of electrolytes. If the presence of electrolyte would be more, then the concentration will be more, then the fluid will be more. If the concentration would be less, then the fluid will also be less. Now you must be thinking that what do you mean by electrolytes? Electrolytes is they are basically sodium ions which are present in our body for maintaining the balance. Now they are present so that as I told you earlier, they are present so to fix that how much amount should be present in a particular compartment. Now this electrolyte, if they will not be balanced in our body, then it can lead to many things. Like first is becoming dehydrated. That dehydration is loss of water from our body. Second is taking certain drugs, and third and the most important is having some disorders or developing some disorders in kidney and heart. Now you can see there is a diagram. This diagram is all about what are the ions which are present in our body fluid. Now the ions are Na plus, Cl minus, that is chlorine ion, magnesium 2 plus, magnesium ion, calcium 2 plus, that is calcium ion, and potassium plus. So as you can see that it's all written that these all are present, these ions are present in our body fluid. Now this is a diagram, but it's actually a complicated diagram. Now this diagram, it's all about that how the exchange takes place in through kidney, and it consists of many other parts that we will study in higher classes, not now. But but the basic concept behind this diagram is that how the exchange occurs. It's just for this class. It's just that electrolytes differentiation occurs, means half electrolytes goes out and half in. Now I come to the chemistry part of this presentation. The chemistry part, as we always related to acid, bases and all. Similar thing has been done over here. Kidney, when the blood is filtered, after that the waste products which are formed, they consist of urea in high amount and ammonia in just small amount. So this as it contains these all things, so we can conclude that it helps in acid-base balance. Now that acid-base balance is important, so to reabsorb and regenerate bicarbonate, and the second thing is that to excrete hydrogen ions through urine. Now this is the whole process how this acid-base balance occurs. Now you can see that lungs are also there. So so in this